Fantastic, it's so easy.
It's just perfect.
It's the best slicer I've ever used. I love it. I want to do some more.
For the past 2 years, thousands of Australians have been loving their Safety Slicer XL to safely slice fruit and vegetables the easy way. And coming up, find out how you can get 2 of our best-selling kitchen tools, the Safety Slicer XL and the Sumo Slicer, for the price of one, so keep watching. With the Safety Slicer XL, easily cut authentic style chips and make chef-proud julienne strips in seconds. You can easily make perfect hash browns or your very own homemade sushi. The secret's in the all-in-one integrated blade changer. Easily adjust the dial for the exact thickness of whatever you're slicing.
So easy to use. Your fingers are nowhere near any blades, which I love.
The fact that everything came out the same size, it's wonderful.
Don't be fooled by smaller models. With the extra large hopper, Safety Slicer XL can fit whole fruits and vegetables. Stop slicing the hard way and struggling with dangerous old mandolins. Call 029 387 4100, get to cleverrange.com.au and get your Safety Slicer XL plus the best-selling dual-action safety peeler. You get both for only $79.95. Only the first 97 orders right now. When you get the Safety Slicer XL, you'll also get the best-selling Sumo Slicer absolutely free. It's 2 for the price of 1. Sumo Slicer is the fast and easy way to make fresh, beautiful and nutritious meals in just seconds. You can slice, grate and shred to perfection straight into the bowl. Slice onions without shedding a tear. Slice mushrooms for soups and stews or capsicum for pizza toppings. Just switch out the stainless steel drum to coarse grater and with a turn of the handle, grate a mountain of cheese. Or make hash browns the easy way. Turn stale-old bread into fresh breadcrumbs for schnitzels and shepherd's pie. And today, it's yours absolutely free. But wait, order now and you'll get our downloadable recipe book full of hints, tips and recipes for amazing meals using your slicers. So what are you waiting for? That's 2 for the price of 1. Call now or go online and don't miss out.